The Nigerian Medical Association on Thursday, October 16, submitted its medical report on the health status of Biafran nation agitator Nnamdi Kanu to the Federal High Court in Abuja. When the case resumed, Justice James Omotosho confirmed receipt of the report, which was filed on October 13, 2025, and served on all parties. The prosecution, led by Adegboyega Awomolo, reminded the court that the report followed an earlier order from an independent assessment of Kanu's health condition. Defense counsel Kanu Agabi admitted the report and said it had been reviewed. Justice Omotosho, who read from the report's final paragraph, stated that Kanu's condition does not appear life-threatening and ruled that he was fit to stand trial. The judge fixed October 23, 24, 27, 28, 29, and 30, 2025 for the defendant to open and close his defense. He also granted a request by the defense to meet privately with Kanu on Wednesday, October 22 from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. without interference from the DSS.
The court had ordered further that Nnamdi Kanu be examined by the Nigerian Medical Association. That examination was never carried out, and the order was entered on 26 September and restated on 8 October. That part of the order was disobeyed. They never examined him. So the report is based on some informal meeting they held with Nnamdi Kanu as far back as 18th September at the DSS headquarters in Abuja. They were invited to do that by the DSS. The court and the DSS are not the same. So what we have in court, or what we were served in court today, quite frankly, we cannot be sure where it emanated from. Did it emanate from assumption, or did it emanate from the examination carried out on 18 September before the court entered an order on 26?
Court to make a consequential order. Say, please, go and examine him and report back to me. They never examined Nnamdi Kanu, only for them to come up with this report. Nigerian Medical Council, they should be very careful, because this is a professional body and you are expected to act professionally. In your report, you are expected, I'm not a medical doctor, but I'm a practicing lawyer. You are expected to show that on this particular day, we obtained his specimen. We carried out this lab, and the lab showed this, and we are talking about somebody's life, for goodness sake. You cannot just enter into your office room and you open your system and start writing trash.
Kanu is being tried for terrorism over his secessionist activities, where he called for a sovereign Biafra carved out of Nigeria. He has been in custody of the State Security Service (SSS) in Abuja since June 2021.